89 divided by 7 using the area model. First, we know that we are going to mark our place values, put our 7 on the side, our 89 in the middle, write our times tables if we need to, and we're going to write out our steps. Does McDonald's serve real cheese? Divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, check. So first we're going to start off dividing in our tens place. What's the closest we can get to 8 without going over? Yep, that's skip counting one time. Then we're going to multiply. 10 times 7 equals 70. Then let's subtract. 89 minus 70 is 19. We're going to bring that on up so that we can repeat back to division. Now we're in the ones place, but we have a remainder left over from the tens place. So let's divide. What's the closest we can get to 14 without going over? Or to 19. It's 14. I gave you the answer. We're going to skip count 2 times to get there. So our 2 goes on the outside. Then we'll multiply. 2 times 7 equals 14. Then we'll subtract. 19 minus 14 is 5. Do we have any more boxes to be able to repeat? No, so let's check. Is 5 smaller than 7? Sure is, so that's our remainder. We're going to bring that on up, and we get our answer right here. 10 plus 2 is 12, with a remainder of 5.